Good day viewers, on this tutorial we're going to show you on how to remove background from image online. How to remove background from images online. Remember to subscribe to our channel and click on notification bell for more new videos from us. Now let's get started. The first thing to do is to go to google.com. Here is Google. Then search for, okay, before we remove image, let's download an image online, so that the image for this tutorial, let's download an image online. Let's make use of Michael Jackson image. I want to download Michael Jackson image so that we can remove the background online. Image. Okay. Let's check. Okay. Let's make use of this. Okay. We need a very simple one. Let's see this. Okay. Let's make use of this. Want to remove the background on this image, removing the background of this image. So let's download this image. Download this image first. The image has been downloaded. You can see here is the image, and the next thing to do is let's go to Google and search for background from image. The first link, we have to click on the first link, remove background from image. This is www.remove.bg. So click on this, remove background from image. Has been clicked. Now here is the page. You can see remove image background, 100% automatically and free. So no need to log in or register on this platform. So we want to remove, you have to upload the image here or drag the image on this page. Here is our image. We are just dragging, we need to drag it, drag and drop. You can see preparing the image automatically. You can see the image has been removed automatically. The image has been removed automatically. The next thing to do is click on download to download the image, or you can edit or put another background on this image. Just click on edit. You can see now you can put another background. You can see different background. You can see different background or color. If you want color, here is many other background you can use. Any other background you can use. You can choose from any background here. You can see. You can choose anyone. You have beautiful backgrounds here. You can choose anyone, any. You can choose any. So you can check all the backgrounds to choose the one you prefer, or you can choose color. If you want color to be at the background, click on color and click on any. If it is white, if it is black, you can see. You can choose any color. Then after choosing your desired color, the next thing for you is to click on download. download image. You can see it has been downloaded. The image has been downloaded. Let's check it out. Check it out. You can see, so beautiful, so beautiful. Original picture is this, and we change it to this. You can see. Hope you learn from this tutorial. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click on notification bell for more video from us. Thank you.